Your whole life can change in a single moment. Just one decision, a yes or a no, and your story is never the same again. Today, I'm going to tell you a story that might just give you the courage to make that one decision you've been afraid of. This is the story of Arjun, a regular guy born in a small town with big dreams but very limited resources. His family struggled financially and people laughed whenever he spoke about his dreams. Arjun had one dream, to start his own business. But everyone told him, find a safe job, son. Dreamers don't survive in the real world. His life stood at a crossroads. Take a secure job or chase a risky dream. One day, Arjun faced a critical choice. On one hand, he had a low-paying job offer at a startup. Uncertain future, high risk. On the other hand, a government job, safe, respected, and exactly what everyone expected him to take. His entire family, relatives, even his friends said, Arjun, be smart. Take the government job. It's your ticket to security. That night, Arjun couldn't sleep. One path was safe, the other was his dream. At 6 a.m., Arjun saw his mother quietly crying in the kitchen. She knew what Arjun truly wanted, but like every mother, she feared society's judgment. Arjun held her hand, tears in his eyes, and said, Mom, let's take a risk once. If I fail, I'll stand back up. But if I don't even try, I'll regret it for the rest of my life. That morning, he tore up the government job offer and accepted the risky startup job. The beginning was brutal, low salary, long hours, and endless struggles. But every single day, Arjun reminded himself why he started. He worked non-stop for 2 years, made mistakes, learned, fell, and rose again. Slowly, that tiny startup grew. And one day, the same Arjun, the boy they laughed at, became the co-founder of the company. Today, Arjun owns an entire business empire. He bought his mother the house she once dreamed of, but never asked for. People who once laughed at him now praise him. And every night when Arjun remembers that one moment, he smiles and says, everything changed because of one decision. When life puts you at a crossroads and fear whispers in your ear, remember, one brave decision, one step forward, and the whole universe will start moving for you. It's your decision. It's your story. Make it count, today or maybe never.